Hi folks, it's Christine here with Melissa from Hokema Sewing and Vacuum, and we are here with the new Reflection and the Reflection goodie bundle that you get right now when you purchase that new Reflection embroidery machine. So we're going to start with the bundle. I don't know about you, but I really like mystery boxes, but we're going to make this not so mysterious. Okay, first you're going to get a really nice premium kit of stabilizer from Baby Lock. You have 6 rolls of stabilizer here, so that's phenomenal. Now to go with that 6 rolls of stabilizer, you're going to get a stabilizer box. This is going to help you keep control of your stabilizer. It's got a slot that comes out just a lot like your saran wrap does, but you're not going to fight it as much as you have to fight your saran wrap.
That's something I'm actually really excited about.
This is a new piece, and I'm like, I think I need those.
Absolutely.
And I can write my stabilizer on the outside of it, know exactly what I've got. These I'm also really excited about. This is the design suite from Baby Lock, and unlike other design suites that we've had in the past, this one is good on all Baby Lock embroidery machines. And this one is a really pretty alphabet. Be looking for an event coming up with that. And then we have a new Baby Lock color, and it is this beautiful burgundy purplish color. I would call it amethyst.
Yeah.
It's very much an amethyst color. And this is the machine cover. And this is, again, brand new. So I'm going to put all of those away for right now because those come free when you purchase the Baby Lock Reflection. Okay. This is our brand new Baby Lock Reflection. I got to play with this machine at Baby Lock Tech. You're going to love her. Okay, we're going to pull out the embroidery arm. Maybe. The short woman's on the wrong side of the box. Okay. Okay, we have the top tray of goodies. This is a machine cover to help keep the dust down when you're not using her, but I have to tell you, you're probably not going to use that much because you're going to want to use her all the time. Okay, and inside we have some bobbins and we have an internal spool pin. That is so you can use the pre-wound class L's in the machine if you choose to. Then we have some spool caps, needles, a stylus for the touch screen. You're going to love that touch screen when I show it to you. It is really, really large, which is really nice. Of course, silly things like your cord. And then we have the quick reference guide and the larger manual here as well. So yes, you are still getting a printed manual for this machine. You can see how well these are packed. They are packed for safety and shipping. So whether you pick up your machine in store or you have us ship it to you, it's going to arrive safely. Oh, there's that pretty, pretty color. And I have to show you this. If you watched my videos when I was at Baby Lock Tech, you saw some of this. I inadvertently matched my nail color to the beautiful trim on the machine. And so for all my purple girlies, this is it. You probably have to add this machine to your lineup. Just show you how big and beautiful her screen is. This is a touch screen. We will get her all prettied up and we will show you what she's about in another video. We'll talk to you soon.